This is the best shower head I think I've ever owned. You turn the water off here. This side over here is where you turn off the different selections, and there's 3. It's amazing. The only con that I can say about this is a piece of shower holder for it. I don't like that at all. I actually am going to have to go to Home Depot to figure out a different way to hang this. But as you can see, it's extremely powerful. I absolutely love it. I would totally recommend it. I just would suggest that the manufacturer does something else as far as holding it up. And the hose isn't very long, actually. I'd like the hose to be a little longer. But as far as power goes, it's freaking amazing.
I guess it sort of fits, but not really. When you turn the water on, it's such high pressure that it makes it flop around and falls out of there. So having it be adjustable would be nice. It does not tip forward the way it showed that it would.
Alright, I got the new nozzle spray on there. Let's check it out. Wow, look at that. That's got some water pressure now. Let me see here if I can reach that. Let's switch that. And there's your massage setting. It's pretty fine. It's got some good pressure. And then the combo, massage and spray, and then straight spray. And then actually sprays really good. Good water pressure, like 4 or 5 times as much. I can lay the shower head in the bottom and it'll, as you see there, it sprays right up at the skylight from the floor. So I think that's pretty good. Awesome.
Se abrió en 2, pues.
Duro.
Se abrió en 2, duro.
No, 2.
As you can see, it doesn't switch or nothing. This thing's junk.
Easy install.